Yes, good evening, everyone. So we will start the class within few minutes of time. And today we will continue with the services. Yesterday we have discussed about the products. Okay. So we will wait for 6 till 6:05 and the 6:05 sharp will start the class. Okay. Yes. So I think Poonam has joined. Raksha has joined. Okay. That is great. So I think now we are starting the class. Let me share my screen with you. And I think so this is the part which we have covered up in the last class. Okay. So products, I think, which we have covered up in the last class. Yes, I think, Ms. Poonam, please kindly confirm. Services, we have to start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Services we have to start.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, So I think the last topic we have discussed, that is about the organizational products when it's come to production, when it's come to support goods. Okay. So this is the part
Yes.
back now. Okay. So I think any doubt to anyone from the last session? No? So today we will actually discuss in the first half about this particular topics. Okay. And second half, we will actually go for plus one class test. Okay. So one class test, basically we will, which includes your fill in the blanks, MCQ questions. Okay. So this is the basically part we will include in the second half. Okay. So one activity will plan, that is a class activity, class test. Okay. And tomorrow again, we'll go for content with one more case studies. Okay. So this is the way how we'll actually mold this subject. Yes, students. So shall we start or we should wait for 2 minutes? I think we'll wait for 2 minutes. I think it's already 6:02 right now. Okay, so 6:05 sharp we'll start the class. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, students. So I think we should start now. And the next topic we have after product, that is called services. Now, I think as we discuss about services, services are basically all those attributes, or you could say the components or the compositions which we received from a particular company or an organization, which does not have any tangible, or you could say any tangible benefits. Along with that, it is also inseparable in nature. Okay. Inseparable in terms of a particular ultimate consumer may actually utilize or receive the services whatever he or she is required for. Okay. Like we do, you can see on the particular slide that we have a number of examples in front of us. About the first, you can picture that actually talks about the mother preparing food for the family. Definitely it should be consumed by the family member. Ultimate, you could service is provided by the mother. Medical industry, we know that doctors, nurses, and different medical services, which we always receive from the, you could say, hospitals. Housekeeping services, hospitality services, transportation services, any services when it's come to the between the countries. If we talk about political, that is more about postage services, transportation, advocacy, legal services, we can say. Okay, so there's a basic example through which how the companies can provide the services to the consumer. Now, when we discuss about the classification of services, the important thing is that there's a major 5 factors which comes under classification of services. Okay, the first one, which is all about your end user. Now, what about end user in the case of services? If we talk about, always remember, when we talk about the end user in the case of services, the services can only be rendered or can be provided to the consumer only, those who will ultimate wanted to get the benefit of all such, you could say, compositions. So that is the very first part about the end user, the classification of service. The second point we have degree of tangibility. What does it mean? Because there are certain services which is completely intangible, and there are certain services which having some tangible and intangible component both. For example, if you're talking about, you could say, salon. Okay, these salon services are basically completely intangible. Okay, when we talk about the services related to hotel industry, these services are basically tangible along with intangible. Okay, so when we discuss about this service sector or service industry, there are certain services which are being provided by the companies on the basis of degree of tangibility, which may be moderately tangible, or you could say highly tangible is not possible basically. And when we talk about, you could say, low tangible or less tangible, and it's come to the more major component is all about the service sector or service which is being provided by the company. Okay, the third point we have, which is called the people based services. Okay, now when we discuss about the people based services is all about the labor or the skill set which is required to provide any services to the customer. Okay, because like when we talk about, so like very basic example about the seller services. Okay, in that case you can see that the different people having different expertise, different skills, different experiences when it's come to service sector. Now, how these particular services may be provided by different individual, which may differ when it's come to the efficiency or you can say the satisfaction level of the customer. So third point is related to people based services. And in this based services, basically each and every individual having their own way to provide a similar level of services in a particular sector. Okay, next one is expertise. Expertise, I told you already, expertise in terms of the experience of an individual. Okay, like for example, like being a teacher, if I am teaching you very first time to a particular class, the way I will communicate, the knowledge base which I have, and the depth which I can cover about a particular subject, and the doubt clearing which I can actually provide to my students, the satisfaction level of my student is very, very important. Okay, so being a teacher, if I am expertise may be achieved only with the help of experience, with the help of exposure, with the help of, you could say, the component which you always achieve in your life. So that is about the expertise which you have in this case of service sector. The next one, orientation towards profit, I think is very simple, because each and every category of business, if we talk about in the world, it's all about profit making. So important thing is that the services may also vary. Services maybe you could say depends on tangibility, depends on the skill set, and definitely each and every services may actually oriented or focus towards profit generation. Any query to anyone, please, in this 5 points? I hope.
Can you please repeat degree of tangibility?
Degree of tangibility is very common, that because when we talk about hotel services, definitely hotel is providing you, like let's say for example you are booking a hotel for your you could say adventure trip, or for your, you could say, any summer trip if you're planning with your family. Definitely these are the tangible benefit along with intangible benefit which you will receive from the hotels. Okay, when it's come to pick and drop facility, when it's come to the rooms which they will provide to you, the food they will provide to you, the speed and the accuracy and the you could say the fineness in their products, or you could just the you could say the sharpness into their, you could say, the product and services which they provide. Because ultimately the hotel industry is a combination of tangible and intangible appropriation of the attributes which the industry always provides. So the tangibility may be high, may be low, depends on type of industry we talk about. Like salon industry, salon, when we talk about any services which you receive from salon, okay, this is, you could say, highly intangible as compared to services of hotel industry. I hope so it is clear. Hanji,
Yes, sir, clear.
clear? Everyone, I think someone has asked a doubt. Is this point clear? I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. Thank you so much. So let's move to the next part now. I think as I told you about the end user. Okay, so we are just discussing in detail right now. What about end users now? In the case of end users, you can see that the first is called consumer, which may be, you could say, individual consumer, maybe for hairdressing, personal finance, package holidays, leisure services, which we talk about. Okay, services maybe between business to business as well, advertising agency, printing, accountancy, consultancy, industrial services, which maybe you could say the contract between the organization just to provide, you could say, services for certain projects in the industry, that is plant maintenance and repair, work, wear and hygiene, installation, project management. So these are the basically the services of classification of services based on the end user. An end user may be individual users, organization, and contract between organizations. I think I've already given the examples in this case. Hanji, I hope so. This part is very, very simple and clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, even like business women services, we can talk about technical services. Okay, once the company is providing ERP to the one business to other business. Okay, so that is again the one of the part. ERP we can also include in that. What else, I think, other than this mentioned topic? Consumer, what we can include? Ajit, anyone? Yes, students, anyone? It's very, very simple, I think. Ms. Poonam?
Yes, yes, sir, it is clear.
No, actually examples, more example I want from consumers now.
So in terms of services,
Yeah, for consumer, individual consumer. Haji. Yes, students, any guesses?
in terms of there will be AMCs, this like AMC which are provided by the chimneys and AquaGuard and all these air conditioners also. They are individual customers.
Okay.
So leasing and contract between the
Yeah, that is one answers are definitely we can go for leasing. We can include. Okay, but I think again, like when we discuss about leasing services, that leasing may come under business to business actually.
yes,
Because
okay.
yeah, because this has been provided by the bank to another company.
Okay.
Okay. So that may come under business to business. Industrial, I think, is very.
Consumer
Plumbing.
hospitality.
Pardon?
For consumers, it's hospitality.
Definitely. Hospitality.
Plumbing.
Pardon?
Plumbing. Plumbing.
Plumbing services. Yes, definitely we can include. And there's some things are there. Electricians and everything will come under this.
So, and entertainments, arts and entertainments.
Yes, yes, very good, very good. Because that's a set of people actually to whom you provide those services. Yes, very good, very good. Art we can include definitely. I hope so this is clear because I just want to know exactly whether you understood or not. Okay. B2B, I think it's very simple. ERP, leasing, factoring services. We talk about accountancy, like, and taxation services we can also include in this. GST or taxation services. What else? Security is also, I think recently, if you can see that security services provided by the security agencies. Okay. When it's come to managing the security of a company. So again, dealing between business to business, because one security business providing services to another business. Okay. That is all the private security I'm talking right now. Okay. What else? Under business to business. I hope so. It is clear. We should move to the next topic. I think so. Clear, everyone? I think so. Consumer, B2B, and industrial.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next one, the services classification based on services tangibility. Okay. So when we discuss about the services tangibility, we are talking about all these basic parameters. Highly tangible, as I told you already, car rental, highly tangible, vending machine, highly tangible, telecommunication, highly tangible. Okay. Now services linked to tangible goods, domestic appliance repair, car services. Okay. Then tangible goods linked to services. Airline services offer food. Okay. Highly intangible, psychotherapy, or you could say psychiatric consultation, consultancy, legal services, education. Okay. Okay. Then, yes, any other example other than this, please? Highly tangible. Any other example? Highly tangible. Hanji, any other example, please? Highly tangible services. Hanji. Car rental, I think we can talk about. House rent, I think we can discuss as well, or you could say rental services if we can club it at. Okay. So house rental will be one of the main services. Telecommunication we have included. Hanji, what else? Students, please kindly speak up and just give me the examples for highly tangible. Any other example?
The postal services.
Postal.
Yes. It is courier services.
Courier services. I think courier services is basically services linked to tangible goods, I think.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because that is basically the services provided by the courier service. Sorry, you could say the services provided by the couriers, okay, or the agencies in order to deliver the tangible goods. So services linked to tangible goods. Okay, so that we can include over here.
Rental, DG rental.
But yes. Rental services will definitely come in highly tangible items. Okay.
The investments and highly tangible.
Investments. No, but how investment could be a highly tangible service actually?
Sir, online services,
Online services, like example.
the Myntra and Flipkart offering.
So that are basically the services
online.
linked to tangible goods.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So like Myntra. Okay. Then Amazon. This all will come. Or we can say e-commerce website. I think better would be the word.
Yes, sir.
E-commerce. Okay. Hanji. What else?
Sir, why it doesn't come in highly tangible?
Because see, when we talk about this particular this services, because these are the basically the online platforms where the tangible goods is being delivered by this because this what Amazon do basically. Amazon having n number of sellers. So what they are doing, they
Yes.
are selling these tangible goods and services. They are basically service industries, services linked to tangible goods.
Okay, sir.
Like we talk about
Yes.
domestic appliance repair, water purifier, air condition, that will all come under services linked to tangible goods.
So land procurement,
Pardon?
land procurement.
Rent, yeah, agreement, highly tangible, definitely.
Yes, land.
Yes, definitely. I think so. Okay. So what about the example of the third point? I think the first and second is sufficiently covered up. Tangible goods linked to services. Like airline services offer food. What else? Haji. Tangible services. Tangible goods linked to services. Any other example?
Service center, just like bike service center or car service center.
Car service center. So what basically they provide in terms of tangible goods?
Like if something damage on the car or there is any repairing shall be done by the company.
Or I think what I can say, it is car decor, maybe the part. I think car decor may come under this. I think. Okay, because like whenever you purchase a new car, always you go for car decor services, and these services you are receiving because ultimately what you are receiving, you are receiving the services, but more about it is tangible goods linked to services. Car decor services, I think, or car modification service, I think so. Car modification of car or bike, that everything will come under car decor or bike decor services. Okay, very good. What else?
So this McDonald's and the Pizza Hut.
Yes, delivery, definitely.
Yes, sir. Delivery of this.
Okay, so e-delivery, I think e-delivery of fast foods. Okay, so I think it's clear, everyone. I think it's very, very simple. Shall we move to the next part? Yes, students, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Next one, we have classification of services, which is people-based services. Okay. The first one is about labor intensive and capital intensive or equipment based services, we can say. Okay. So first is called people based services, which is called high contact. Second one is called equipment based services, which is called low contact. Okay. So as you can see that when we discuss about the services which is based on people, where there is, you could say, high contact of the people when it's come to manufacturing or providing any services. Okay. So example, we can say that like education, dental care, restaurant, medical services, which is more people involved in order to provide the services. But equipment based, vending machine, cinemas, automatic car wash, what else now? because something which is highly automated is called basically equipment based services. Hanji, any other example? First of all, people based services. I think salon industry will come.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping.
Housekeeping, yes, very good, very good. Housekeeping.
Security.
Housekeeping, security, salon. Okay, this everything will come under people based services, which is highly contact service actually.
Consultancy. Consultancy.
Pardon?
Consultancy, sir.
Consultancy.
Consultancy.
Okay. Okay, then what are equipment based services? Equipment based services, please. I think vending machine includes everything. Okay, cinema, automatic car wash.
So auto rickshaw will come in.
What?
Auto rickshaw and this Ola and all that. Or they will come in
Water
people
cooler.
base.
Pardon?
So
Robot.
Ola and this people carriers are will come in the people based service.
Yes, definitely, because that will not come under equipment based.
Equipment,
Because
yes, sir.
equipment based services basically are what? Because there is very minimal contact of people or minimal contact of labor in that case. What about online education?
Robot.
Yes, sir, online.
Yes, yes, please, please.
So like Byju's and all that.
Definitely, e-education will come.
Yes, so they are providing technology based.
Robot.
Robotics, very good. Like even like if you visited to various restaurant in Mumbai, I don't know. Like even like I belong to Indore, and there are some restaurant in which a train-based restaurant there. You once you'll have to place an order, you simply just actually have to go for online services in that case, and simply once you'll place the order, definitely the train will reach to your counter, the counter number, and the food will be delivered without any contact of any person. I think you might have heard about it. Robotics, I think it's very common. Like recently in Saudi Arabia, I think so. The similar type of restaurant was open.
So artificial intelligence,
Yes, yes, definitely. That is basically the part of about your
robotics. No.
robotics, equipment services. Okay, we can include AI as well. Okay. So let's move to the next part, please. The services which is based on profit orientation. Very, very simple. I think it is, because what is the purpose of starting a business? The first purpose may be profit orientation. That is about purpose of doing business. Second is a commercial. Commercial is like banks, airlines, tour operators, hotels, catering service. These are basically the organizations which are not working for any NGO or any social services, but they are basically the services which is more professional, which is more commercial when it's come to profit earning. So Scout Association, charities, public sector leisure facilities. Okay, even a lot of NGOs are there which will come under this. Then social groups are there. Okay, social groups for various initiatives. Okay, that is orphanage. Everything will come under this. Okay, I think so. Is it very simple? Any other example, I think?
So CSR corporate
those
social.
are like we can definitely include it is corporate social responsibility, that is social groups. Okay, so we can mention that, no worries. Okay, it's very simple about actually, because the purpose of any company to start, like we always talk about various trust, various you could say groups which has been created, and these trust or these companies are basically the major purpose is just to provide these services for betterment of society. Okay, like we talk about very simple example, Reliance, how Reliance is started for as a commercial unit, but recently because of CSR activity, which is compulsory for everyone. Okay, so now in that case, they are basically started the ESA. You know about that. The ESA they are providing free education to the child, underprivileged child. Okay, medical services to them. Okay, so there are so many CSR activities. Continue that.
नाच हो रहा है ना क्या पेमेंट का आ गया
Tony Kumari, please kindly mute.
हाँ तो चल दो
चल तू बस कविता है ना काम कर रहा है ये मैंने कहा एक बार
Yes, students, I think. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Hanji, Hanji. So the next part, I think we have the type of services, which is about based on expertise. Okay, so services based on expertise now, which is professional and non-professional. Okay, so professional means a particular person who is formally trained. He has gone through under, you could say, OJT, that is on the job training, off the job training, and certain, you could say, services which is based on technical aspect or technical consideration about a particular job. Okay, that is called professional services. Non-professional, where the no training is required, like babysitting, caretaking, casual labor, housekeeping. These are the basic services which do not require any type of professional training to do so. I hope so it is clear, students.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All about the services part now. Okay. Now the next topic we have to start, that is marketing strategies now. Okay. So when we discuss about the marketing strategies, because as I told you about, we have covered up the 4 P's of marketing and how detailed or how in depth actually we have discussed about the product, price, place, and promotion in detail. Okay. Now the major part which comes under the marketing strategy, it is basically all about how the company can actually create a plan, basically a blueprint about the success of an organization. Because whenever the company basically launch any new product, they always need to create a roadmap that how the particular product should be marketed, where the particular, you could say, where the particular person may be actually, where the company basically may be going for, you could say, their product innovations. They always have to focus on the research and development so that they would be able to understand about the customer requirement and their expectations. And on the you could say upper hand, if you can see that these particular marketing objectives or the purpose for which the company is basically initiating their marketing activities, that will come under marketing strategies. Okay, so marketing strategy is basically not about a particular single day process or 1 day process. It is basically a long-term planning which may be achieved by the company by executing sorry, by executing their you could say short-term goals. They are, you could say, planning for a particular venture, planning for a particular product. Okay. Yes, clear, students? What about the marketing strategies? What does it mean? Okay. Now, when we discuss about the marketing strategy, the first and foremost thing which comes under, you could say, company's values, it's a very, very important part. The value which the company will deliver. Okay. Now, when we discuss about the value which the company will deliver, what do you mean by value, first of all? Value delivering means what? Yes,
So the
student.
benefits received by
Benefits.
the
Yes.
received by the services or the products.
Okay, fine. Now, first of all, when we discuss about this choosing, you can see the value having three basic components. Okay, the first component is all about choosing the value. Okay, so what choosing the value is all about? Because what the company do in this particular segment, because whenever they want to launch a particular product, they always need to keep in mind about the appropriate target. Okay, and target means basically target may be based on the age, based on the income level, based on the society, based on the purchasing power. So whenever the company need to provide certain benefits, certain attributes to the customer, first of all, company need to identify, they need to understand about what would be my target customer. Okay, to whom I want to provide some benefits regarding any product or service. Clear, I think, everyone? Hey, students, I think it is clear. That is about the value proposition. How you choose means what would be selected appropriate target. Target means a particular set of audience which you need to target for your product and services. Okay, like we talk about firstcry.com. What is the first cry choosing the value? They are basically selecting the segment of teenagers, or we could say of the children up to the age of, mainly up to the age of 5 to 7 years, and their main target is basically how they can satisfy the need and requirement of that category of customer. Customer means definitely they are their target customer, the children, their target customer. Hamleys, their target customers are especially, you could say, certain, you could say, females along with mainly children, if we talk about. Okay, in this way the company always choose their value, choose to whom they want to target. Any other example? Yes, students. Any other example in which how the company can choose the value and target customers? Yes, anyone, please? Because it is all about the ground planning when you are just selecting the appropriate target.
Like online services like Flipkart, Amazon.
So what is their target?
Their basic target is to reach a maximum customers by providing maximum goods and with low rates.
But I think, is this particular example justified to the segments? I don't think so.
Flipkart, when starting, so like Flipkart sell only books. Now Flipkart's that time targets is all over India. Now their branch is all over India. So that time Flipkart sale 2007 only books. Now Flipkart all over India sell all types goods like grocery, any type, everything sell
Insurance, everything they are doing right now.
everything. So that time Flipkart target Flipkart want to stay in India and any type of product sale. So now that time Flipkart value and target.
Any other example, please? Other than Flipkart, I think the target customer for a company.
So sending the emails and messages on each person's profile. So because they maintain an inventory of customers, and they send the emails, or on the Facebook also they target. They send the advertisements of different products.
I think, Ms. Poonam, I think you didn't understand my context of the question actually. My question is,
Yes, sir.
I think you people understood in something different way. Choosing the value is nothing but, for example, if if the Pepsodent or even any you could say Colgate or Sensodyne we talk about,
Yes,
the
sir.
basic purpose of Sensodyne to be launched by any you could say toothpaste company is just for sensitive you could say teeth. Okay, so major target was all those you could say individual, those who are having some sensitive teeth or sensitive you could say sensitivity issues with their teeth. Okay, that is a basic segment they have. So what my question is, like for example, I have given the example to you about we could say segment of a particular category of customer we are talking right now, or the target customer which they are talking about. Like for example, Tesla. Okay, Tesla is coming to India, and in that case, their target customer is only those customers, those who belong to HNI categories, high net worth individuals. Okay, so in this case, like the example of firstcry.com, I told you about the target customer is the teenagers and the infants, not teenagers, sorry, the children below 10 or 11 and the infants. Okay, Johnson and Johnson, Himalaya, the target customer are the baby products.
So like Surf Excel targets for dirty clothes.
Which one?
So Surf Excel.
No, ma'am. Actually, Ms. Poonam, we are talking about target customer.
Yes, sir. Target customer.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
like woman Horlicks.
Yes, very good, very good. Protein X.
Protein X, yes, sir.
Yes, very good. There's a Hamleys I given the example. The Hamleys target market is again children.
Yes, sir. So for age, according to age, this what a product they have introduced for immunity booster like type.
Yes, definitely.
For immunity according to age wise.
I hope you understood my question now. Exactly
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what context we are talking about choosing the customer base.
Yes, sir. On the basis of USP, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. Now, after choosing the customer, okay, what would be the second part is just to provide. Because if, like, for example, if I want to, you could say, I want to open a store, an apparel store, for example, or want to open a restaurant or cafe, for example, what should be my target customer for cafe? Definitely, I want to attract the college going student. I want to attract all those who want to sit to my cafe and they can do their work. They can actually enjoy their leisure time over there. So that is my target customer. Now, once I selected that I have to open a cafe and my choosing the value is my target customer, the teenagers or the college going student, after that, I'll start providing the value to them. Value means the services, the product. Because ultimately, if a particular person is approaching to my restaurant or approaching to my cafe, he or she must get those benefits which is being expected by him or her, or which is being expected by the customer in that locality. That is called providing the value. Communicating the value is the last phase, because it's very important that how the advertisement, social media is basically helping all those new venture in order to promote their you could say startups, to promote their services into the market. Okay, now I need one example from everyone for this particular topic, please. The value in terms of choosing the value, providing the value, and communication. The communication is very simple actually, but how they communicate, we need to address that issue as well. So take your time, please, and I just need the example from everyone now. Example to explain all these 3 points: choose, provide, and communicate. Yes, students. Any example from your side?
For choose like opening of school from nursery to class 5.
Okay.
For providing facility like better teaching. दूसरा मतलब we can say that we can develop innovative training teaching facility like we can use toys and sometimes use toys and other practical teaching materials like also, and same to be communicated to through advertisement or through pamphlets to the nearby area from where the students can come.
Yes. Perfect. Yes, student. Anyone else, please?
So introducing cow milk for the babies where the cow milk is not available. So the features will be provided that it is matlab best benefit for the babies because they are easily able to digest the cow milk, and they will either distribute the pamphlets or they will display on the newspapers and or hoardings. So let everybody know where this cow milk will be available
Okay.
for the babies.
Perfect, ma'am. Perfect. Very good. I hope so you understood actually what exactly the meaning of this.
Yes, sir.
It's good. Now, the next topic we have, that is about the corporate strategic planning. Okay. Corporate strategic planning is basically nothing but, because as you know that, like we talk about the example of Reliance, how the Reliance has started their journey from, you could say, very basic industry, a very basic, you could say, focus. And now you can see that how the Reliance has actually created their strategic business units when it's come to fashion industry, retail industry, jewelry, refineries, telecommunication, everywhere. They have actually spreaded their feather in each and every sector if we talk about. So when we discuss about the corporate strategic planning, it is always important that the corporate mission means ultimately what is the basic purpose for which the company is basically settled or established into the market. Okay. Second part, establishing SBU. SBU means strategic business units. Like Reliance has actually started their strategic business units in terms of telecommunication, in terms of, you could say, retail industry, fashion industry, refineries. So they have actually established gradually, one by one, to all these strategic business units. Okay. Third point, assign resources to SBU. Okay. So basically, like for example, if the Reliance has opened their, you could say Reliance Trend, Reliance Jewelry, Reliance Digital, Reliance Refineries, Reliance Petrol Pumps, they have to assign resources in terms of land, labor, and capital. And ultimately, you can see that the growth prospect of Reliance right now in this case. Any other example? Tata again, I think we can say.
Amazon.
Yes, pardon.
Amazon.
How Amazon is actually going to review. Yes, how come Amazon, please?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Like Amazon initially, it only there is only one store and which is situated, I think, in Bangalore or Delhi. After gradually they expand their stores also, like NCR and different cities, and there they assign the products, like somewhere they assign for grocery, there somewhere they assign for apparel, and somewhere they assign for costly products like high value products also. And this strategy gradually they grow up
Yes,
in
definitely.
India, and then
Yes, yes. Any other example, students, other than Tata, Reliance, how the company started their SBUs? I think you understood what is SBU. That is sister concerns. Is the with the company always opens. Sorry.
So like Amul Milk, so it was originally in Gujarat, but
Mhm.
it expanded all over India very fast.
Okay. But what are the SBUs right now for this Amul if we talk about?
So Amul was initially was in Gujarat. Now it is in Kanpur. I hope so. In Lucknow also there is strategic business units are there, and they are launching different products in Amul.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes.
So
Yes.
because in there was when at the time when it was in Gujarat, there was no market in Kanpur or Lucknow.
Mm-hmm.
So now it is well established in Kanpur. I hope so in Lucknow also it is there, or it is coming from Kanpur.
Yeah, definitely. Even I don't know about that, but still, like, it's a very good example we can quote. Yes, good.
Yes, Amul expanded very rapidly. In Lucknow, it was originally Parag was there,
Mm-hmm.
but Amul came off sudden and grabbed the whole market of milk industry.
Yes, yes, yes.
And this when our Prime Minister Modi came, so it was not there before. After Modi was, came this Amul milk in Lucknow.
No, 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 no. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, ma'am. Yes. You see, it is basically all about more political discussion
Yes.
rather not to indulge in that, I think. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, Ms. Poonam. Any other example, I think, students? Shall we move to the next part, I think?
Sir, Unilever.
Unilever. Okay. Yes, yes, definitely. Very good example of Unilever.
Your sister company, na?
Yes,
How
yes,
many
yes.
company?
Okay. So shall we move, I think, to the next topic? I think it's clear. Yeah, sure. So let's move to the next topic now. It's about defining the corporate mission. Okay. Now, first of all, can you please elaborate what is vision and what is mission and difference between these two? What is vision and mission? Then I think we can discuss this topic.
Vision is a long-term objective, and mission is a short 1 year, 2 year. I'm saying reverse.
Yes, students. Vision and mission, please. Haji, anyone else? Vision and mission? First of all, when we discuss about the mission, yes, yes, anyone? Yeah, Chandrabhushan.
Vision is the future position of the company,
Okay.
and mission the business company's business objectives.
Like in a simple language, if I'll explain you about vision and mission, mission is basically something, the purpose behind the company's establishment. Mission. And vision is basically in order to achieve that mission, in order to achieve
Achieving
that
that mission.
dream, that destiny, how the company is basically setting their vision to achieve that. Like for example, if my mission is basically just to provide the, you would say, affordable, good quality services to underprivileged or to poor people of the country or those who cannot afford that. This is my mission. How I can achieve that? I must have short-term vision for that. For next 2 years, I have to plan this. For next 3 years, I have to plan this. So the short-term assessment or short-term objectives, we can say, which will help the company in order to achieve the mission which is being dreamed by the, you could say, by the owner of the company or by the thought the think tank of that particular business. Okay, so first of all, like when we discuss about the particular corporate mission or corporate you could say objectives of the company, the mission of any corporate would be decided on the basis of this particular 5 questions. Okay, as I told you, mission is basically nothing but the purpose behind the company's establishment, why the company is established in the market. Okay, so the first thing, what should our business be? What is our business? Who is our customer? What is the value to the customer? Value means benefits. And what will be our business? Okay, I hope so. It is very, very simple question, because until and unless a company have to answer to themselves, or company owner must have to answer themselves before establishing or before commercializing any organization in the future. Okay, so that is about the defining the corporate mission of the company. Because you can even like search on the internet, there are so many examples we have where the company actually having their you could say vision and mission, and that mission basically justify their journey, how they started and where they are actually in current scenario. That is basically part of mission we are talking right now. Clear everyone, I think? Hanji, is this part clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now I think still we have left with this particular part, strategic business units. Okay, and this strategy, SWOT, PESTEL, 4 to 5 forces model. Okay, so that I think we'll discuss in next class now. Okay, so right now we will actually go for a short break, and today we'll go for the okay. So we are going for a short break right now, and before going to the break, please kindly confirm your email address, which I have. I think so. I have email address of each and every individual. Let me just check it once. So just a minute, please. How many we have today in the class? That is 17. Okay. So yes, students. So I'm just confirming the email addresses of all. Yes, so the email addresses which I have right now is Anustyagi, Bhavya, Rahul Shaw, Shivam Harsh, CB Kushinagar,
Okay.
Rahul, Joy Dani, Hitesh Mitra, Soni Kashyap, Poonam, Rajput Komal, Raksha Sweet 10, Lalitesh Sharma, Vinod Jambekar, Nikita, Ravi KR Chaurasia, Sherin Sara James, Ayush Sodia, I think, yes. Santosh JR, Shabana Sultana Sayyeda, Ananya 7 Ananya, Nandakumar, and SPRATA PSG. This is what I have as of now. Anyone else who is left out?
No, sir.
Okay.
Chandrabhushan.
Chandrabhushan. Just a minute, yes, Chandrabhushan. Give me your email ID, please.
CB Kushinagar.
I think your email ID is
think
there.
you have
CB
my email
Kushinagar.
ID.
Yes, it is there. CB
Yes.
Kushinagar 003.
Yes.
Yes, it is there already. Okay. So student, like we are going for a break of 10 minutes now, and we'll get back to 7:10. And at 7:10 sharp only, I'll just send you the mail which you have to submit by giving your answer on the same email ID. Okay. Fine, everyone.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yes, students. So I think no one is missed when it's come to email IDs. I think I've already explained that. Okay. I think I can see one student, Zahur. Okay. Rishikesh Sinha.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, this is Snowbird. Actually, I was on the job, so right now just now I came and I
Okay.
attended.
So can you please
So
provide your email ID because I can send you the class activity then.
yeah.
Please tell me.
SNOBAR
SNOBAR
ZAHOOR
ZAHOOR
HOOR
H
yeah ZAHOOR @gmail.
Okay, okay, perfect. Rishikesh Sinha, I think one more student I can see right now.
Even me, I did not get it.
No, your is there already. I think 1 minute. I'll just confirm you. It is
Sir Rishikesh.
1 minute, please, Rishikesh. Yeah, JEVAPOOL.
Yes.
Yeah, your name, email is already there. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
Rishikesh, please tell me.
RISHI
Hmm.
KESS
Uh,
dot SINHA
dot Sinha. Okay.
1703
17.
03
Yes.
@gmail.com.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, fine. So students, I think it's 7:09. I'm sending in 1 minute of time. And there are total around few fill in the blanks and few true false question we have. Okay. So this is the class activity of the day. And tomorrow, I think not tomorrow we'll discuss one case study. And day after tomorrow, we'll take one MCQ based test. Okay. So that is basically the activity we'll plan on daily basis. Fine. What exactly you have to do? You have to mention your name, your contact number, and you have to give the answers as well. Answer in terms of your true false or in the fill in the blanks. Write it on the sheet only, word file only, and revert the same on the same email ID. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sorry to disturb you in between. We have to provide it up to what time? Like, what is the time limit for this one?
Basically, it is within the lecture only, like before 7:30, 7:45. If possible,
Okay.
if you are working right now, give it by the evening. Okay, by night you can submit. Okay.
By the like before 12 is okay, right?
Yeah, sure. No worries.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, pleasure. So student, yes, I'm sending it now and I'll give you 20 minutes of time for that. Okay, that is more than sufficient. You need to submit that answer. Okay, I'm sending it from here now. I have just sent it. Please kindly confirm whether you have received or not.
Yes, sir, received.
Perfect. Go ahead then and please submit before 7:30, 7:40. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Please tell me.
Sir, we have to type in that format only, or we have to write in page and then
No.
submit
Just in
it?
that Word file only. They mention your name, mention your mobile number, and just send it on the same email ID.
But sir, it's not opening.
What? Is it so?
We
Ashwin?
can't write. That option is coming.
Yes. What about other students? Yes, Miss Poonam. I think it's working. It's a normal Word file I sent.
No, it's working.
Yes,
working.
sir.
It's
Yeah,
working.
it's working. We are
working.
right. We can able to write in the WordPad.
Okay. Thank you so much.
हमारे काम दिखाती हूँ.
Ayushi, might be, I think you have some issues with your laptop, might be, or your system.
Ratio or shift benefit and cost that is customer has.
Chandrabhushan, please
Nagar-
continue. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, Shrish, Shabana.
Sir, we have to be submit now this one.
Yeah, pardon?
We have to be submit now.
Yes, definitely. I'm waiting for that.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I hardly take touching 10-20 minutes to complete that.
Okay, sir.
So I am not able to write it, sir.
Write it.
Yes, sir. So I have never done this type of.
Okay. So you can do one thing then, students. You just drop a mail, okay, by giving your answers only, okay, if you are able to find any issues in that, okay. So find, like, for example, sorry. For example, like you have fill in the blanks. I think there are 1 to
Nine.
9. So just give the answer. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4.
Yes, sir. We can do this job, sir. So, but what is the how to write on this? I'm not able to.
No. Actually, ma'am, what you do now, just write down my email ID, okay, and just mention your answer. Like true, false. 1 is true, second is true, third is false, whatsoever. Okay. So give the answer, and same with the fill in the blanks. Give the answers. Clear? Yes, everyone. Those who are facing some issues, please
Yes, sir.
kindly, yeah, just kindly send in that manner. Okay. I'm just waiting for responses now. Yes, student, if you have any query, please let me know. Okay, I hope now everyone understood how to respond for this particular class test. Okay, even if you want, I'll just share that file with you, okay, on my screen, so that it would be visible to everyone. But please don't give the answers, okay? So this is the class test we are talking right now. And these are the question I think we have, okay? So you can just give the answers, please. Yes, student, once you have submitted, please let me know, okay? I'll just cross check.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Sir, I had sent.
You are done.
I
Just
will-
send the email as well.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. I'll just check. I'll just wait for others to complete as well. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ayushi. So let me check the emails. I think those were submitted now. Yeah, Ayushi has submitted. Okay, Ayushi received. Thank you. Okay, Miss Poonam.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Miss Poonam received as well. Okay.
Fill in the blanks I have done.
Yeah. Okay, okay. No, true, false. You are done, I think.
Yes, sir. Fill in the blanks almost going to be completed.
Okay, okay, okay. Bhavya, I think Bhavya Shri, your answers are not there in the list actually.
Sir, I did only true or false. I didn't do fill in the blanks because I
Okay.
couldn't find the answers for it.
Okay.
So yeah, sorry.
No worries, please. Yes, students, I have received only 2 responses till now. Okay, waiting for others to complete.
पता नहीं क्या क्या सर क्या भी बताएंगे सर। हाँ सर अब तक निशा ना सुनिए सकता।
Miss Poonam, please kindly mute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, I have done it, but I don't know how much is it correct because I didn't
No, that
attend
is
the
completely
classes.
perfect. I will just send a solution to you by tomorrow, okay? Not today.
Sir, have you received my mail, Raksha? Here.
So I
Raksha,
have done.
your mail, 1 minute. I think I've received so many mails now. Poonam, yes, I've received yours. Yes, Poonam. Raksha, your mail is not there actually.
Not received. So your mail ID is Ankit Walia Assignments, right?
No, Ankit Ramesh Walia @gmail.com. The mail ID from which I have just shared the document with you right now.
Okay, just a wait.
Yeah.
Did you receive mine?
Pardon?
Did you receive my email?
What's your name?
Snowball.
Yeah, Snowball. I already received. But I think the answers are not there, I think, in that. Yes. True, false is there, but fill in the blanks.
No, I feel it.
Okay. Fine. No worries. Thank you so much.
Okay.
डाल सकते हैं आंटी क्योंकि पेस्ट करना है पेस्ट करना है ना करेंगे पीली पत्ती देख अभी इतना होगा पेस्ट होके मेरा खाना खाएगा नहीं देखेगा इतना थोड़ा होगा वो पेस्ट करने के बाद ये देखो तो उसको भी खाना खाएगा देखो नहीं जितना
I'm really sorry.
ये हल्दी पत्ते रहने दो मिक्स ग्राइंड हो जाएगा अभी अदरक डालेंगे वो सब डालेंगे तो ग्राइंड तो भी क्या हुआ भाई तो खराब है ये देखो तो ये भी खराब है ये ये सब नहीं है एक्चुअली क्या होना ये यही पे सड़ रहा है पता ही नहीं है क्या करते तो इसके लिए पेस्ट कर छोड़ेंगे पेस्ट भी करोगे बेटा तो ये देखो ये ऐसे ओके थोड़ा देख ना दो टाइम ऑफ कराएगा पर है ठीक ये रिस्ट्रिक्शन भी था बहुत सारे निकलेंगे दो से तब आप भी कर ले पहले इसमें ही तो एक काम हो गया पूरा ऐसे को कर लेते तो भी नहीं निकलता ये देखो रहने दो। कितना निकाले आपने? नहीं, आ जाएगा, सस्ता नहीं। मैंने आधे से ज्यादा तुम गंदगी खाती हो धीरे। धनिया तो अच्छा है।
Yes, students. So I think you people do one thing, just submit your answers before 12 today, because I have received a few more now. Chandra Bhushan Singh. Okay. Yes. Chandra Bhushan, I have received yours, but only true, false. Okay. So I want everyone to take your time and please submit it before 12 o'clock today. Okay. Sharon, I think I have received yours as well, but no fill in the blank.
Some question, some fill in the blanks also. Chandrabhushan.
Okay. Yes, I saw that. Okay, so you do one thing, just take your time and by, you could say by evening, okay, even like you can submit it before 12 o'clock today, okay? And tomorrow we'll continue with the same topic now, okay? And along with that, we'll discuss one case study tomorrow related to marketing strategies, okay? Sure, students?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
so much. Thank you so much, everyone, and please take care, and we'll catch you tomorrow.
Sir, have you received my mail now?
Raksha, yes,
Thanks.
yeah, Raksha, now received. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Raksha. Thank you so much. So, student, take care, please. We'll catch you tomorrow at 6 o'clock now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Shabana.
Sir, I sent true or false, sir.
Okay, no worries, Sultana. Okay, just do one thing. Even if it is possible to complete the fill in the blanks, please do
Okay.
fill before 12 o'clock today. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Please take care.